Good morning everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. In this video, I was one of the representative from my school to participate in the Bintang Sobat SMP of 2025. Let me introduce myself. I'm Lutfi Tunisa. You can call me Lutfi. I'm 14 years old. I was born on the 15th of October 2010. I live in Pangandaran, West Java. I study at Junior High School 3, Pangandaran. I'm 8th grade and I want to be a lecturer. My hobby is trying new things. And then I participate in several extracurricular at my school. The first is science, the second is traditional Saman dance, the third is drum band, and of course cult. This is mandatory in my school. I have a motto. My motto is life is special when we are class together. And then I have skills. My skills are speaking like this and then editing. By the way, I have an account on YouTube. The name is Lutfias Official, so don't forget to watch it. Back to topic, I participate in an organization which is the Student Suncil at my school. And of course, I'm the chairman of the Student Suncil at Junior High School 3, Pangandaran. Last, in my free time, usually I like listening music and then playing with my brother or family. That's all from me. I'm so sorry there are any mistakes. Thanks for your attention. It's very kind of you and see you!